In this video, I will show you how to perform a swept operation with twist. I will create a new file. And here I will draw a rectangle, but I will choose a rectangle by pointing to the corners of the rectangle. And I will create such a rectangle. The dimensions at this moment do not matter. Now I will create a line that will start from the center of this rectangle. I select line drawing and notice that at this moment there is no snap here, but when I hover over the center of this edge, a snap is highlighted. If now I press the Shift key, auxiliary lines appear. Then I hover over the center of this line and also press the Shift key, and here additionally auxiliary lines have also appeared. Now I can use the intersection point of these lines, click at this point, and thanks to these auxiliary lines I can start drawing a line in the center of this rectangle. And now I can create this line either along the x-axis or along the y-axis. These lines will lie on the same plane as the rectangle, but I can also create this line in the z-axis, and here I will create such a line. The dimensions at this moment don't have much significance. And now I will show you an interesting application of the sweep command. I select the surface of the rectangle, and here I have the sweep command, which we can activate with the keyboard shortcut Shift+P. Then I specify the profile along which the shape will be extruded. And at this moment there is nothing special here. It is a regular box, but we have the twist parameter here, and by increasing the value of this parameter we can obtain a solid in this way. Here I will enter a value, for example 450, and we have created such a solid. Generally, the sweep command works by preparing the extrusion of profiles along a path, but here in this case we can also use the twist parameter. And when it comes to the sweep command itself, I create a regular path here. Okay, we also need rounding in these corners. With the Shift key I select these two vertices, I press B on the keyboard to add rounding here. Okay, we have such a line. Next I select this point, press spacebar to create a construction plane here to create a profile for the extrusion, and here, for example, let's create a rectangle from center. Okay, the dimensions also do not have much significance. Close the temporary plane view and select the surface of this rectangle. Select the sweep command, select this line, and we have created something like this. Click OK to confirm, and that was a quick tip. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.